What's up guys, and welcome back to Boeing 17 and welcome back to another flight report. And today we are flying from here, Stockholm, Skavsta, back to London, Stansted. And we are flying on board Ryanair, and the aircraft is a Boeing 737-800 as usual. This time we were unlucky because of course we didn't get the sky interior, but by the way, the registration is EI-EFX, Echo Foxtrot X-Ray. He's built in October 2009, so he's not really new to the Ryanair fleet. So the plane's it's almost 8 years old, so 7 or 8 years old. It's not that old, and it's not new. But it should be all right for a 2-hour flight. By the way, flight number is FR59, destination London Stansted, and we should be on our way soon. Flight time is, by the way, 2 hours. And about just a minute ago, the plane came to a stop here and shut its engines down. So in about half an hour, we will be flying back to Stansted, and will be taking us as well. By the way, this plane's comeback just came from London Stansted, operated as FR58, and will be flying back as FR59, taking us back to Stansted, back home, whatever. So I hope you all enjoy the previous flight with Norwegian. By the way, we're going to be in seat 21A for this flight, once again by the wing. So yeah, so that's all for now, so I will see you on the plane. Okay, so this is the exciting bit. Okay, so this is Echo Foxtrot X-Ray taking us back to Stansted. So, yeah. Okay, so this is EFX. Hiya. Yeah. Okay, so nice view of the cabin. It's the old standard yellow interior, as always. So yeah, we've got a great view of the cabin. The cabin doesn't look that new. But the leather looks okay. Yeah. This is our seat 21A over there. Okay guys, so we're now on board Echo Foxtrot X-Ray. So yeah, so we will be on our way soon. We are going to be taking off. By the way, we're sitting in seat 21A by the wing again. I love sitting by the wing. So yeah, this is the inside.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, you are very welcome on board.
Legroom's okay.
59 coming back to
This
London
gap here is really
Stansted.
bad.
Please move along the cabin now and take your seat as quickly as possible. You can store your cabin luggage and
Legroom's actually fine.
available to provide it.
It's not that bad.
If you need any help, please contact my colleague in the middle of the cabin. Thank you.
That does me, that helps me some money.
Say no to.
The legroom's actually quite good, yeah. So, it's just the old cabin. Don't know why we didn't get the sky interior, oh my god. I've been waiting for it so long, but no, we didn't get it in the end. The answer is no. At least we could have got it. Because I really want to travel on it just once. It's a real shame, it's a real pity. That is really bad, I don't get to travel on it ever. Well, that makes me feel that I'm not ever gonna travel on it. Well, I will one day. You never know, you'll see. That's because I'm the unlucky person.
Yeah, so I'm just going to need to post something in that box for you. He's just going to post something through for you. I've done my name, I can't read. I'm playing football today. Alright, going out all weekend. He's just going to put something in that box. I don't know what time it is. I'll tell you not to be there. What? So we'll be up on Monday playing? Oh, I'm telling you what it was.
So yeah, so we've got a great view of the wing here. So flight number is FR59 to London Stansted. And the plane is a Boeing 737-800 as usual. And flight time, 2 hours it is. Could be shorter, but I don't know. Let's just say it's 2 hours. Well, it is 2 hours, kind of, yeah. So yeah, so last week we flew on Norwegian. Hope you all enjoyed that. So arrival time at Stansted will be at 25 past 11 at night. It's almost 10 o'clock here at Skavsta. So we actually had priority boarding, which is really good. So we came on Norwegian, but we flying back on Ryanair. Because I don't know, the tickets were cheaper like this. Norwegian is much more expensive than Ryanair, even if it's the best low-cost airline. But Ryanair is cheap. That's what makes Ryanair one of the best European airlines. Actually, not one of the best European low-cost airlines. As you can see, we're here at Skavsta Airport. We're almost just ready to depart. So it's about less than an hour. The plane's landed. It's just about half an hour ago. Like 40 minutes ago, half an hour, whatever. The planes just came in from Stansted. Because this plane's based at Stansted. So earlier, flew from Stansted to somewhere in France called Tours. And then it flew back from Tours back to Stansted, Tours back to Stansted, and then from Stansted it came here to Stockholm, Skavsta, and we're flying back on it. We boarded from Gate 5, where all Ryanair flights to Stansted depart from and arrive. Sadly, we have no other planes here. Not just from the left side of the plane, not even from the right side. We don't have any, sadly. Don't have anyone. So I'm gonna see you. Oh, I love this music. They always put it on at nights. So I'll see you then. Okay, so we're pushing back.
Or in the panel above your head. In the unlikely event of landing in water, remove the jacket from its packet and place it over your head. Bring the strap around your waist, clip at the front, and secure as the crew are now demonstrating. To inflate the life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. There is a mouthpiece for further inflation or deflation and a light to attract attention. Do not inflate your life jacket inside the cabin, as to do so will impede your exit. Further
The engine's starting up.
on the safety card, which is displayed within the area you are seated. Your captain invites you to read this card carefully before departure. Please now ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Tray table is in the upright and locked position, armrests down and window blinds open. We recommend for your comfort and safety that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight. There is a call bell, reading light and fresh air vent in the panel above your head. Portable electronic devices
so the
such as
first
tablets
engine
and
started
mobile
up.
phones in flight mode may be used throughout the flight. Please select flight mode now. Laptops must be stowed in cabin baggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead locker for taxi, takeoff,
second
and landing.
engine.
We would like to remind you that smoking
I believe this is the engine
permitted.
next to us.
Thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
Actually is.
Välkomna. Var vänlig, ta ur hörlurarna under denna demonstration. Det finns 8 nödutgångar som samtliga är markerade med en röd exitskylt. 2 nödutgångar är placerade längst fram i kabinen.
By the way, that's the announcement in Swedish.
Och en till höger. 2 längst bak i kabinen, en till vänster och en till höger. Det finns även 4 nödutgångar över vingarna i mitten av kabinen. 2 till vänster, 2 till höger. Din närmaste nödutgång kan vara bakom dig. Belysningen längst i mörkret och guida dig till utgångarna i en nödsituation. För att fasta säkerhetsbältet var i den platta metalländen.
Flaps being extended.
Dra i den lösa delen av bältet för att öppna lyftlocket på spännet. Om syrgasmaskar automatiskt släpps ner från panelen ovanför ditt huvud, dra då ner masken ordentligt för att starta flödet av syre. Placera masken över din näsa och mun och andas normalt. Var inte orolig om påsen inte blåses upp. Syre flödar ändå. För att spänna masken, dra i den ena änden av rymmen. Vuxna som reser med små barn ska ta
I think flaps are set to like 10 probably. Don't know.
Under ditt säte eller panelen ovanför ditt huvud. I den osannolika händelsen av en nödlandning i vattnet, ta ut flytvästen från paketet och dra den över ditt huvud. För bältet runt midjan, knäpp spännet på framsidan och dra åt den lösa delen av bältet. För att låsa upp flytvästen, dra kraftigt nedåt i den röda plastbrickan. Med munstycket kan du öka eller minska luften i flytvästen. Det finns även en lampa för att påkalla uppmärksamhet. Lås inte upp flytvästen inne i kabinen. Den kan hindra dig från att komma ut. Informationen kan hittas
The Swedish accent sounds so bad.
där du sitter. Läs detta kort noggrant innan avgång. Se till att
Sounds like Arabic.
att bordet är uppfällt och
It's really bad accent.
samt att solskydden är uppe. Vi rekommenderar att du har ditt säkerhetsbältet fastspänt under hela flygningen. I panelen ovanför ditt huvud finns en läslampa, en luftventil och en knapp för att tillkalla personal. Bärbar elektronik som surfplattor och mobiltelefoner kan användas under hela flygningen. I flygplansläge, gå vänlig och välja flygplansläge nu. Under taxing på banan och inför start och landning måste bärbara datorer placeras i handbagaget, under sätet framför dig eller hatthyllan. Rökningen är inte tillåtet ombord. Tack för din uppmärksamhet.
Ladies and gentlemen, this up aircraft you will find a life jacket situated in a panel just above your head.
Uppmärksamhet.
Okay.
To comply with safety regulations, we shall be dimming lights in the cabin. So
Yeah,
if you wish
still
to
brakes.
continue reading, you will find a reading light in a panel just above your head. It's a normal procedure of flying in hours of darkness. Thank you.
Okay. So now going on to the runway, and it's almost time to say bye-bye to Sweden.
Thank you. Sit for departure, please. Good flight.
That was a bit loud. Okay, so we're just taxiing onto the runway. By the way, it's runway 26, I think. Yeah, it's 26. So, did you know we're the only plane here right now? No other planes here. That's sad. Well, apart from those small ones, which belong to Sweden itself. Okay, so are you all ready for takeoff? Okay, we're on full power. So bye-bye Stockholm Skavsta Airport until I see you again. Look how fast we're going. Okay, lift up. What the hell was that? Okay, so gears going up, wheels are closed. And okay, so we finally took off, so bye-bye Sweden. By the way, that's Nyköping, the town of Nyköping. So finally we took off from the ground and we've got a 2-hour flight to Stansted. Flaps are being retracted back to 0. Oh my god. No, they're not retracted to 0 yet, they're probably on 5. Oh, now they are. Okay, so they're on 0 now. So bye-bye Sweden. Might not see you for a while, but I will come back one day. Probably in summer, you never know. Maybe. Skavsta Airport.
Once again, good evening and all very welcome on board this flight to London Stansted. The whole team will be available at the local center. And this evening you have an amazing choice of dinner items to choose from, such as our vegetable flowers and coffee, a cappuccino, chicken salad, sandwiches, ham and cheese, paninis, lasagna, and many, many more. Full details on our pre-planned meal deals can be seen on the menu immediately on board the shopping catalog. As we book your choice to attendance, some stock is limited, or the early venture that you can enjoy yours to Stockholm into a departure seat from principal to place your order. For your convenience, now you can find all the receipts through our website at Ryanair.com, but for now, sit back, relax, and enjoy this night with us. Thank you.
Okay, so I'll see you when we're in the air. No, I mean halfway through the flight. Okay, so this is the Ryanair's in-flight magazine. It's called Runway Retail. This is summer edition 2017. So yeah, so we've got all load of fragrances, whatever, and snacks to buy from here. It's not as good as the Norwegian magazine. It's not native food. It's just got purchases on board, pretty much. So this is the features of Ryanair. So this is where we've got the snacks on these are some eau de toilettes and perfumes. This is 737. Our plane concept, didn't know that. Oh wow, this is the snack bar. So I've got chocolate croissants and everything, ham and cheese croissants and snack bars. Don't know, they've got all these sandwiches, chips and everything, other chips, fries. We've got lasagna, sweet and sour chicken and rice, and whatever pasta it is. I have a lot of things to choose from actually. Sweets and a whole load of crisps and whatever you want is there. To be honest, I'm actually going to go for, yeah, I'm actually going to go for this one. No, I'm going to go for, I'm going to go for this one, the gourmet snack bag, what I always take on Ryanair. Italian breadsticks, cheddar cheese spread, hummus, roasted corn, kernels, pretzels and mini chocolate. So I'm going to go for this, because it's really tasty. Even the pretzels are really good. dusk, it's almost night time. It's still like almost 11 at Sweden, and it's still like, I don't know, whatever, it's like, still, it's not that dark. It's because of it's summer. And by the way, you may have noticed today's the 1st of June. Not only is the 1st of June 2017, it's also a Thursday. Going to Stansted. So I think, so by the way, I'm a bit disappointed because I didn't get the SkyTear. Well, it doesn't really matter, but it's still a Ryanair plane. We still sat by the wing. It's going to be very fun during the landing because of those steel brakes. And I think it might be a hard braking at Stansted depending on the direction of direction we land on the runway. If we land from south to north, I don't think it's going to be a hard braking, but if we land from north to south, most likely will be one. Because pretty much all Ryanair planes take the first exit when they land at Stansted, when they come from north to south. From the north to south direction when they land at Stansted's runway. So pretty much like 80%, 90% of them just do some hard braking and leave the first exit. Some others, when we last flew Ryanair from Skavsta to Stansted on this route, it was really like hard. No, not hard braking. It was very light braking, so we took the second or third exit from the runway. Don't know why, but Ryanair also seems to take the first exit from any airport it flies to, most of the time. I think Ryanair's the hard braking and hard landing airline. It doesn't have that much to do hard landing, but it does do hard braking many times, most of the time at Stansted, or at Skavsta even. So yeah, so I'm going to see you with the snack. Okay, so they didn't have the gourmet snack pack, so instead I went for pretzels. They're bigger by the way. And I also got a Toblerone chocolate bar from the airport. I got this one from the plane, and I got this chocolate bar from Skavsta Airport in one of the shops. So yeah, so it's chocolate and pretzels. Nice snack. A nice late night snack. So hot water, so we had that from before. It's got nothing to do, we didn't even get it from the plane. We just had that bottle. Okay, so we've got Toblerone and Penn State pretzels. The pretzels are very, very good. You should try them. Toblerones, haven't eaten it for a while, oh my god. So let's just enjoy a nice late night snack with views over dusk. With views over blue dusk, a blue night with the wing. And this time the winglet is not black, they do have a Ryanair label on it. Okay, so guys, I've got to eat and I will see you after everything. Okay, so I finished my snack and it was really good, yeah. The pretzels were excellent. And the Toblerone chocolate I got from the airport was okay, was good. And also I tried a bit of some ham and cheese croissant that my mum got. I also tried some of that, some ham and cheese croissant. I tried a bit of it, it was okay, it was quite good. I think Ryanair's got a good food service in the cafe. By the way, it's called the Getaway Cafe. I think it's a good cafe for Ryanair. Not for anything else, just for Ryanair. It's good just for Ryanair. So yeah, don't know, we've probably got another hour until landing at Stansted. We've got 1 hour, so the snack was quite good. I'm proud of Ryanair. I'm proud for serving the good ham and cheese croissant, which was really tasty, and the pretzels, the really good pretzels. If you fly on BA or Virgin or any other flight to America, they should give you pretzels. Like if you're flying on British Airways to America from the UK, I think they do give you pretzels as a snack. I'm not sure on flights to Asia and Far East Asia, other places, whatever, Africa, South America, like that, I'm not sure, but I know they give you on North America flights to North America, on Virgin as well, they give you with a drink. I've seen them do that in random flight reports on YouTube. So it's a bit of a shame I didn't get the Sky Interior once in a lifetime. Just once in my life I want to go on it. Just once. Don't matter what registration it is. I don't give a shit what registration it is. Just once I want to fly on it. Just once in my life. This time, no, we couldn't because I was unlucky. I don't know why they used Echo Foxtrot X-Ray. They could have used like some other Ryanair Sky Interior plane. But unfortunately, no luck. We just got the old standard yellow cabin as always. That's what it looks like in the inside, as usual. I just want to fly on Ryanair Sky Interior. I just want to fly on it for once. Just once in a lifetime. Just want to fly on it only once. It's just such a good cabin with much more legroom. They've also got coat hooks. Well, not just on Sky Interior. They've also got 4 or 5 planes on Ryanair, which are the old standard cabin, but have got the new Sky Interior seats, which were built in like 2015 or so. They've got coat hooks as well. They should have more legroom. They've got the same seats as the Sky Interior. So yeah, so I'm gonna see you when we make our descent into Stansted. When we make our final ascent into Stansted. Okay, so we're now making our descent into London Stansted. So we're almost at Stansted, and it's been a nice flight from Stockholm to Skavsta. And yeah, it's been a nice flight from Stockholm, and everything's been perfectly fine on this flight, apart from the fact that the plane wasn't the Sky Interior, of course. The legroom was good, food was good as well. I loved the food and the getaway cafe and everything like that. I think Ryanair is really expanding and developing across Europe compared to the last 20 years. Yeah, so I think it really is improving, Ryanair. I think really is improving. Like, if you compare it to Norwegian might be a bit better because they've got like flights to the US and everything. They've got 787 Dreamliners and Ryanair don't. I'm hoping that Ryanair get the 787 Dreamliners one day, just like Norwegian, to fly to the US and long distances around the world. I hope it happens. So yeah, Ryanair's not a bad airline. Everything's fine with it. Legroom's good and everything, and I'm proud of it. Yeah, it was a standard old cabin, by the way. So the plane, it was perfectly fine for a 2-hour flight. By the way, one thing was that there was no captain announcement on board this flight. Dearie me, gosh, what a day. So we are just decreasing our altitude. We're just, as you can see, we're just now gradually falling down to a lower altitude because we're about to land in about another 15 to 20, no sorry, about 20 minutes to half an hour hopefully. It's been a nice flight from Stockholm, good and short flight. It's quite dark now, it's 11 here, and it's, oh wait, oh my god, I can see something down there, holy crap. It looks really close as well, it's close as fuck. Right? Yeah, it's so close. Oh my god, I can tell you it's too close. Oh my god. Everything looks really close because we have been reducing our altitude so much.
Cabin crew, 10 minutes to land.
Oh my god. Oh well, 10 minutes. Crap, 10 minutes to landing already.
Please make sure to have your seatbelt securely fastened and all latchable portable electronics.
That was a quick descent.
Devices must be switched off and stored underneath in front of you or in overlook is provided. And also to comply with safety regulations, we will use a cabin lights for landing. So if you wish to continue reading, don't sit and press a light in the panel just above your head. This is a normal procedure when you're flying in the world of darkness. Thank you.
Oh my god. Okay, so we're all prepared for landing now. We are almost there. So just going to dim the cabin lights. Remember that when they dim the cabin lights, it is a normal procedure. It's always a normal procedure when they do it at night. It's always a normal procedure. Nothing dangerous is happening. You're not going to die. The plane's not going to crash. Like, if they do that, they're doing it because of health and safety reasons at night. See, that's how they do it. They're turning off gradually. Now it's turned off. Oh well. So it's turned off now, so you've got a better view of the outside and the clouds. You can see the clouds, by the way. So I actually can see the UK now. You can see England. What the fuck was that? Oh no, I think it was just someone stamping their feet on the ground. It wasn't the landing gear, right? So once again, I'll tell you, it is a normal procedure. It is absolutely a normal procedure when they turn the cabin lights off. In case if something could happen in the dark, they could see outside. If they didn't dim the cabin lights, you couldn't see outside, would you? No, you couldn't. Okay, so we're getting even closer. Have landed at Stansted at this time of the night before. Surprisingly, once in 2012, in year 2012, we landed at Stansted at 3 in the morning. It was on a Thompson flight from Antalya in Turkey to Stansted. It was 4 or 5 years ago. I can't remember the registration. I don't even know. I was like 11 or 12. Don't ask me what the registration was. But I know that the plane was a Boeing 737-800. But we departed Antalya at 12 at midnight, arrived at 3 in the morning at Stansted. Never arrived at Stansted at such an early morning. What a rare thing for me. Well, let's just ignore that and let's get on to tonight's flight. So yeah, so got a great view of England here. You can't see London, can you? No, you can't. Oh, flaps are being retracted. No, sorry, extended to some degree. So we are almost get ready for landing. Don't know why the spoilers are not coming out. No in-flight spoilers that I know of. Okay. Wow, I love this feeling. And we're going through some clouds now. Flaps speed probably set to 10, maybe, or 15, maybe 10, I'd say. Why would it be 15? so I think about now the gear should be out. The gear should be out. I think the no, landing gear should be down. I think the wheels should be coming out in any minute. Wait. Oh crap. I think I can see Stansted Airport over there. Actually, it is Stansted Airport. It is. Good job, I did. Flaps probably been set to 15 or something. I don't know, 10 or 15, whatever.
Cabin crew, sit for landing, please.
Oh, that was so loud. Well, the gear is down. Flaps are being set to probably 15 or 20. I don't know. I have no idea. I think it's 20 or 15 probably. I think it will be a hard braking. I'm not sure, but I think it will. Might not be. Oh, they're being set to some degree. I don't think it's going to be a hard braking because of what the flaps are set to, but I hope it is, because I love them hard brakings. Well, I don't think it's going to be one. Actually, it might be. Start to see the Ryanair planes. Are you all ready for landing? Oh crap, that was such a hard touchdown. Idle reverse. It's not a hard braking, okay? What the why are the spoilers closed? Hear those steel brakes? That was a hard landing, and no hard braking. Still hard landing though. Good job, Ryanair. Yay! Yeah, good job, mate. You're the best at hard landings. Oh, these are the steel brakes, which I love to hear. It wasn't heartbreaking, sadly, this time. Yeah, welcome to London Stansted, everyone. Finally landed at London Stansted. Well, we have a plane there. Do you reckon it's Ryanair Sky Interior? Because of the lights it has, they're kind of like blue-white. Wait. Oh wait, that's Jet 2. We recently have Jet 2 at Stansted, guys. That's the 737-800. Do you reckon it's Jet 2 with Sky Interior? It can be. Because Jet 2 has recently got some Sky Interiors from last year. I think there's a Ryanair plane coming into land from somewhere. Nah, great touchdown it was. Didn't see that. Flaps are on 0. I forgot to mention, by the way, because I was busy talking about the hard landing. Oh shit. Whoa. So the landing was okay. It was good. It was a good hard landing though. It was a hard landing. No hard braking, sadly. Could have been one. So what gate do you think we're going to be parked on? So yeah, it's going to be revealed in a minute. I think we're probably going to be parked on gate 40 to 50 something, I don't know. Up here we can see EI-EMO, Echo Mike Oscar. He's not the Sky Interior. I think we parked on gate 50 something. It's Echo Mike Oscar. Don't know where he's from. Don't ask me where. Please don't. You can look on Flight Radar 24. Okay, so we finally found our parking position. Haven't seen any Sky Interiors here today. No, not now. Okay, so came to a stop. So welcome to London Stansted Airport, everyone. Back home, welcome back home. So yeah, so hope you all enjoyed this flight. So I hope you all enjoyed this flight, and thank you very much for taking this trip with me. I hope to see you in the near future on more train spotting. There won't be any flight reports for a while, but I will let you know if there is one coming. I promise you, I swear to God, I will let you know if there is one coming. So no flight reports for a while, but there will be train spotting and some Monk Boy 17 news, maybe, probably. And so yeah, so finally arrived home. So thank you very much once again, guys, and don't forget to like and comment to my videos, and please also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're an aviation fan, or if you like trains. So if you like trains and planes or whatever, please do subscribe to my aviation fan for more of these videos. So thank you guys, and good night, and bye bye.